I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Hyundai Tucson fan belt. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench set, a new serpentine belt, and a pry bar. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. You'll also want to locate the belt routing diagram, usually found under the hood, which is crucial for correct reinstallation. This preparation saves time and ensures safety. Now let's get that old belt off. First, locate the automatic tensioner pulley. You'll likely need a 14mm or 17mm wrench to rotate it. Apply pressure counterclockwise to compress the tensioner and release the belt's tension. Once loose, carefully remove the serpentine belt from all the pulleys. Pay close attention to how it's routed, as this will be vital for installing the new one. With the old belt off, it's time for the new one. Begin by routing the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, following your diagram precisely. Leave the tensioner pulley for the very last step. Double-check that the belt is perfectly seated in every groove on each pulley. Then, using your wrench, compress the tensioner again and carefully slide the new belt onto the tensioner pulley. Once the new belt is on, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply the correct pressure to the belt. Visually inspect the entire belt path to ensure it's perfectly aligned and seated in all the pulley grooves. Start your engine briefly to confirm there are no unusual noises or wobbles. After confirming everything, you're all set. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.